Welcome to Learn English with Faisal Hamid, and today we are going to discuss spellings versus sounds. And in this video, we will consider when C and K as spellings come together, but only one sound is produced, that is K sound. So it's part 1, and in this we are going to learn about 10 words in which we have CK, but it is pronounced only K sound. Let's see the words. First one is BACK. There are 3 sounds: B, A, K, back. Second one, P-A-C-K. There are 3 sounds: P, A, K, pack, pack. Third one is S-A-C-K. But again, there are 3 sounds: S, A, K, sack, sack. The next one is R-A-C-K. A, K, rack, rack. Next one is T-A-C-K. T-A-K, tack, tack. Next one is H-A-C-K. H-A-K, hack, hack. Next one is L-A-C-K. L-A-K, lack, lack. Next one is B-L-A-C-K. B-L-A-K, black, black. Next one is S-N-A-C-K. S-N-A-K, snack, snack. Next one is C-R-A-C-K. Sounds are K, A, K, crack, crack. Thank you for watching.